The professor took a year off to work on her book.
You may not be allowed to read any books without the reading list. Most of the student advisors are extremely helpful. If you are worried about your work, you should see a study counselor. We have specially assigned staff to help you find appropriate work placements. Renewable energy sources are now used to produce electricity. Living in the 21st century is increasingly stressful. Please make sure you use the standard form of quotation. Please read the article that was given out yesterday. Compiling a bibliography can present a major challenge for some students.
By logging in, you agree to all terms and conditions regarding your enrollment.
We weren't able to agree on the appropriate independent variables. The chemistry building is located near the entrance of the campus. Today we have a guest speaker who is visiting from Canada. Tomorrow's lecture has been canceled due to the power cut.